Hey guys, today I'll show you how I perfectly cook sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are high in vitamin C, nutrients, and it is a fiber-rich food which is absolutely perfect and kids' favorite. At least for my girl. For this you have to watch till the end of this video. Here I am taking 2 sweet potatoes and another kind of sweet potato which is called as yam. If you don't have a microwave or doesn't like to use microwave, you can cook them on stove in this way. If the sweet potatoes are big, poke them with a fork so that it gets cooked fast. For this method, take a flat bottom vessel or a pan. Now add some ghee and put the sweet potatoes in it. Cover it with napkin and put the lid. Cook them under low to medium flame for 15 minutes. After 5 minutes, I am flipping them so that it doesn't get burnt. After 15 minutes, checking them with the fork. As you can see, these are soft and done. This is the easiest way to cook the sweet potato in microwave. Wash the sweet potatoes and dry them. Cover it with the paper napkin and put it in microwave for 10 minutes. Peel off the skin, which comes easily. These are perfectly cooked and are ready to eat. But for an extra flavor, I fry them in ghee for 2 minutes. If you like this video, then please like and share this video with your friends and family members. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Little Rubif. Press the bell icon for more updates. I post a new video every week. कैसा है?
अच्छा है.
You like sweet potato?